Alex, you look worried. What happened?
I have a problem, Luna. A big problem.
A problem? Tell me. What is it?
I went outside and I forgot my key.
You forgot your key? Oh no!
Yes, I closed the door and the key is inside. Now I am locked out.
Locked out? You mean you cannot go inside the room?
Exactly. I cannot go in, and it gets worse.
Worse? What do you mean?
My phone is also inside. No key and no phone.
Oh, so you cannot call anyone? Don't worry, Alex. You have one free day now.
A free day? I feel nervous without my phone.
Maybe this is a good thing. One day without a phone can be fun.
But where can we go? How can we travel?
We can take the bus.
The bus? But I need my phone for a taxi.
No taxi today. We wait here for the bus.
Wait here? For how long, Mom?
Just a few minutes, Leo. Look at the sign.
I am getting nervous. I don't know the time.
No phone means no clock, right? But look at the bus stop sign.
The bus stop sign? Does it show the time?
Okay, let's get on. Say, 1 ticket to the library, please.
1 ticket to the library, please.
Perfect. Now take the ticket. Can I sit near the window seat? Yes, Maya. The window seat is great to see the world.
It feels strange. Everyone is on their phone, but me?
Here we are. The library is very quiet.
Quiet? You mean there is no noise?
Exactly. No noise. People come here to read. Look at all these shelves. There are so many books.
The shelves are full. I don't know where to start.
In the library, you can focus on your book.
Focus? What does focus mean, Mom?
It means to pay attention. Pay attention to only one thing.
Are there only stories here?
No, there are books for everything. Cooking, travel, and history.
Everything? That is much better than the internet. This book gives full information.
Full information? You mean it tells the whole story?
Yes, not just small pieces like on a phone.
This place is very comfortable.
Comfortable? You mean it feels good and easy?
Yes. It feels very easy to relax here.
I feel very calm now, Luna.
Calm? Like you are not nervous anymore?
Exactly. I enjoy reading without my phone.
I want to learn about the mountains.
You can learn many things from books, Leo.
I like learning this way.
My eyes feel a little tired after reading.
Tired? Then let's rest our eyes and go outside. I think that's a good idea.
Yeah, let's go.
Let's go to the lake. The water will help you relax.
Relax? That sounds like a great idea. The air is so fresh out here.
Exactly. Just breathe and enjoy.
Wow, the lake is so wide and open.
Wide? You mean it is very, very big?
Yes, it looks much bigger than on a screen.
Look at the waves. They never stop moving.
The waves? Yes, the water is alive today. I usually see pictures on my phone, but this is real.
Real? You mean you see it with your eyes, not a screen?
Exactly. My eyes see everything clearly now.
The sand here is so soft and warm.
Soft? Take off your shoes and feel it better, Leo.
Look, those people are taking many photos.
We don't need photos today, Maya.
We remember this moment with our heart.
Our heart? You mean a memory is better than a picture?
Yes, a memory stays with you forever.
Look at the sunset. The colors are beautiful.
The sunset? It is orange and pink. I love it. I feel very relaxed now, Luna.
Relaxed? You mean you don't miss your phone?
No, I don't miss it at all. I feel free.
One day without a phone is very peaceful.
Peaceful? Does that mean quiet and happy?
Yes, Leo. Quiet, happy, and free.
It is evening now. The sun is down.
Let's go to the cinema for a big movie.
Here we are. This is the cinema.
The cinema? It has so many lights.
Yes, it's a place to watch movies on a big screen.
Let's wait in the lobby for a moment.
The lobby? You mean this big entrance hall?
Exactly. We wait here before the movie starts.
Look at these posters. They show the new movies.
Posters? They are like giant pictures on the wall.
Yes, and they tell us the story of the film.
I have our tickets. Now we can go inside.
Tickets? One for each person, Mom?
Yes, one ticket for you, Leo, Dad, and me.
It is very dark in here
Dark? Why is there no light, Dad?
because the movie is starting. We need it to be dark.
Our seats are in row 6.
In row 6? You mean this line of chairs?
Yes, the middle of the row has the best view.
Wow, that screen is huge.
Huge? You mean it is much bigger than a TV?
Yes, it is much bigger than a phone or a TV. The sound is very loud and strong. Yes, loud sound makes you feel like you are in the story.
I can see every detail on this screen.
Detail? You mean you can see the small things clearly?
Yes, a phone is too small to see these details.
I really enjoy the cinema, Dad.
I enjoy it too, Leo. It's a special experience. The city looks beautiful at night.
At night? Yes, the lights make everything feel soft. The city feels alive, even when it is dark.
Alive? You mean it is full of energy and lights?
Yes, I can see so much more when I don't look at a phone.
I feel very proud of myself today, Luna.
Proud? You mean you feel good about your no phone day?
Yes, I did it. One whole day without a phone.
You learned a lot today, Alex.
Learned? You mean I practiced my English in real places?
Exactly. At the bus stop, the library, and the cinema.
Let's review our new words.
Yes,
We learned quiet, focus, and peaceful. And huge and loud at the cinema. Here is your spare key card. The door is finally open. My phone is there on the table.
do you want it now?
Maybe later. I want to enjoy this quiet feeling first. I feel more confident in my English now.
Confident? You mean you feel strong and ready to speak?
Yes, less phone, more learning. Thank you for joining our adventure. See you next time.
Goodbye, everyone. Happy learning.